Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Tricknology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to stop auto update on your Windows 11 computer. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you just need to right click on your start menu and click on settings. Once you have get this screen, go to update, Windows update, and here you will get pause update. So it will showing over there pause for 1 week. So I will click over there, and as you can see, the updates paused until 17 February 2022. So if you want to resume the update, then you can click over there. Also, you can disable your auto update through gpedit.msc, means group policy. So for that, you just need to type on your search box, type gpedit.msc and press enter. Once you have get the screen, what you have to do is you have to expand administrative templates under computer configuration. And now you have to expand Windows components, and here you will get an option for Windows updates. So expand that. Now you have to just select over there manage end user experience. Okay, so here you will get on your right side corner configure automatic updates. So double click on that. And after that, here you just need to click on disable, then apply, then okay, and it will disable your auto update